evening. I just thought I'll quickly show you how to add a flipbook to your website as you requested it. So what I've got here is just like a demo PDF which I've got on my desktop at the moment, and we can add it to your website. In fact, you can add any flipbook to your website. So if you basically log into your website, and then the first thing you do is you actually upload that PDF into your media library. So what I do is I take, sorry for flipping, that one there, and I make sure that I've got flowchart notes, the PDF selected, and I just drag and I drop it on top of my media library. There you'll see that it's basically uploading it to the website now, as I've done with the other two PDFs as well. So that's step one, is find the PDF and then upload it to the media library. Now step two is adding that PDF as a flipbook. So what you see, that I've installed some software here which is called 3D FlipBook. So if I click on the add new link here, that'll basically create all the code behind the particular new PDF we've just uploaded into the media library. So I'm just going to call this a test flipbook. So that's went to 3D flipbook and then add new, gave it a name, and then down here you can choose which PDF you want to use. So I'll just click on select PDF, which opens up the media library and shows me all the PDFs. So the flowchart PDF is the one we want to use. So I'll click on that and I'll click on open. And then I click on publish. So step number one was we've uploaded the PDF to the media library. Step number two is that we went into 3D flipbook on the left side and clicked on add new. And then we created a new flipbook by selecting which PDF we want and then clicking on update. That's step number two. Step number three is that you go to any page or post and insert that flipbook in there. So let's say I create a new post. And once that's up and running, I'll give that a name, test posts with flipbook. And then you have to make sure that you're in the visual tab. This is the text tab, which we don't want to be in. This is the text tab, hello. That's the text tab. We don't want to be in that, we want it to be the visual tab. And then you click on anywhere where you want a flipbook to insert, and then there's a new icon here which says 3D flipbook. If I click on that, I can choose which one I want to use. So it's the annual report or the time of May difference. We've got the test flipbook, and you can set some settings here if you want to. We are using the thumbnail and lightbox. You seem to like that the best, and the rest of the settings I would just leave the way it is. So when I click on OK, it inserts all the code for that. So then I click on preview, and we should have a post which has got the flipbook on it. There we go. So and if I click on that, it opens it up like you wanted. And hey presto, there is a flipbook. My connection's not very fast here, so with all the pages of the PDF. Look, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so on and so on. There we go. Okay, so that's all working, and then the last thing you obviously have to do is click on either publish or save draft. Okay, so if I go from the beginning, number one is I went to the media library and added new a PDF. Number two is I went into 3D flipbook and clicked on add new and created the flipbook by using the select PDF. Number 3 is I go to any post or page, doesn't really matter where, and I click on that button there, which will basically give me all the options to choose what flipbook I want, tests, what mode, and we're using thumbnail and lightbox, and then just click on OK after that, and then this code is inserted. That's all you need to do. It's quite straightforward. So I wish you all the best, and if you need anything else, just let me know.